Okay, so I got a code for an EGR. You're gonna need a preferably swivel 3/8 and a small 10mm and a deep socket 10mm so that you can get to this ones. You're gonna break them off. Do not use an impact. You will break them off. Use a ratchet. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful that you don't lose the seals that they give you there. And this is the other one over here. See, I already moved 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm fixing and I'm doing this because I'm having codes on the EGR that the EGR is either stuck or not moving. So I'm hoping I find some carbon buildup in there. So I removed the bolts already. I already went in there, but there's really nothing to chase in there. As you can see, there's really nothing. This is the EGR valve. There's really not, you can't really see in there, but there's nothing. I don't see anything clogged up. Everything looks fine. The connector for the EGR valve looks fine, doesn't look dirty at all. So now I gotta go find out and see where that thing goes. But that's how you take it off and inspect it for buildup here and here. If you have buildup in here, like either coolant or oil, you either have a oil cooler gone or an EGR cooler. EGR cooler, oil cooler gone. Okay guys, so anytime you wanna this will be considered as a preventive maintenance. If every other, I don't know, 6 months, depending on how much you drive, how much you idle, if you sleep on your truck, if you idle a lot, preferably if you do it every 6 months, do this procedure, poke at it, make sure there's no carbon buildup, because every now and then, if you have enough carbon that builds up in there, you can actually form like a little rock, and that little rock can be between the openings of the EGR, and that will actually cause your truck to either smoke, lose power, or give you a lot of codes that has to do with the EGR. So this is recommended as a preventive maintenance PM. Open it up. You saw it didn't take you that long, and get that thing cleaned up. Okay, and that'll save you a lot of headaches in the future. Hopefully you guys learned something new in this video. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.